Hello everybody and welcome back to MDTV. Back onto the Scooter Tech Extremes. We always tell you about the quality of them, that they've got, high powered lights. You just press the brightness of these lights is absolutely fantastic. You've got your headlight down there, which is better than most people's. Press the middle button here. You've also got these at the top, so when you go out on a night you will be seen both at the rear and at the front. Super quality steel, super quality plastic. Really heavy duty wiring. Moving around to this one here, I've taken the canopy off this white one just to show you. I mean, the actual wire is heavy duty. It's got the most up-to-date Curtis controller. I can't really say too much more about it. You've got these great big knobbly tyres on the back, which will take you up, most slopes, most gradients, most hill. They're a great off-roader. One of the main reasons they're a great off-road is because you've got one motor here driving that wheel, one motor here driving that wheel. It's not unique. There are other things on the marketplace that do that. The Pride do the Ranger, or sometimes they call it the Wrangler. That's also a very good scooter. Nothing wrong with it. It's just much bigger than this. To cut to the quick, we've got quite a few of these left. They're actually on eBay. Please have a look. They're actually on our website, which is down there coming up on the screen. Please have a look. We're going to put our money where our mouths is. You will get, when you buy one of these, a 5-year unconditional guarantee. Now, that doesn't cover the fact if you wear your tyres out. It doesn't cover the fact if you wear your batteries out. That's a consumable. But the machine and the electrics, 5 years warranty. It doesn't come any better than that in this country. So that's delivered to your house by one of our staff. You're shown how to use it, how to charge it, how to look after it, and you're getting a 5 years guarantee. The only thing that we want you to do is we want you to have it inspected, stroke serviced every year. So thanks for your time. We'll see you again. And if you're looking for a heavy duty scooter that you can use in around town and across country a little bit, this is going to be a great thing to look at.